The knowledge chest. Knowledge is power. Hello, welcome again to another, what shall we call this, voiceover tips and tricks video. Although this isn't really just simply about voiceover. No, today's one is about Siri and iOS 17. I have demonstrated some of iOS 17's features in a previous video, but I would like to actually just go over one of the features here that really intrigues me, and it just shows Siri's AI capabilities, AI, artificial intelligence, and this is something that definitely wasn't available in iOS 16 as far as I know. So for those of you who has iOS 16, I'm sorry about this. It's not available as far as I know, although I believe that there is a workaround, and it's not such a as we in South Africa say often, it's not such a train smash. Because I don't think it's really something that is essential, but still, for me, it helps a lot, and it actually makes things a bit easier, because I suppose I'm a little bit of a lazy person regarding things I have to remember and things I have to get around to do and stuff at times. So Siri makes it a bit easier for me. I am going to send a message to my wife, Christine Drake, and I am going to do it with Siri. In iOS 16, Siri would send the message. If I asked Siri to message her, then Siri would by default use the messaging app, the one that comes by default with the iPhone. Now I would like you to listen carefully what Siri actually does here. Hey Siri, message Christine Drake.
Would you like to use WhatsApp?
No.
Which app do you want to use?
Use the messaging app.
I don't see an app for that. You'll need to download one.
That's okay. Never mind with that. That I did it on purpose. Okay, so what is the point here? That Siri actually gives you a choice on which app to use. You can use Messages, or you can use WhatsApp, whatever app suits you. So let's see what happens here. Hey Siri, message Christine Drake.
Would you like to use WhatsApp?
Yes.
What do you want to say to Christine Drake?
Hello, my love. I think that you are awesome and you are great.
Your WhatsApp message says, "Hello, my love. I think that you are awesome and you are great. Send it."
Yes.
Done.
Okay. So now let's see what happens if I ask Siri to send my wife another message. Hey Siri, message Christine Drake.
What do you want to say to Christine Drake?
Okay, so there Siri remembered that I used WhatsApp before and it automatically went and chose that app. If I wanted to use the messaging app, now I would have to specify and tell Siri that I want to message my wife using the messaging app. Then Siri would do that. Okay, so that is what I wanted to show you today, that you have a choice now in iOS 17. It gives you a choice which app to use to message, and it also works with the phone app. If you call someone, then Siri also gives you a choice there. Also asks, which app do you want to use, the phone app or WhatsApp or whatever app you have installed that can do that. All right, thank you very much for joining me today on this video. It's always a pleasure and it's always wonderful to speak to you people. I definitely would like to give a big thank you to all these people who promote and who put my videos up on their sites and who really assist all of us to learn more and more. Because as I always say, knowledge is power.